Want to add a cool countdown timer to your videos in CapCut but not sure how? Don't worry. This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to create a smooth countdown effect in just a few steps. First, add a default text layer and increase the duration to 10 seconds. Type the letter O. You can change the font, make it bold, and increase the size so it looks nice and clear. Now duplicate the text layer. On the top layer, change the text color. Click on Animation, then go to Out. Select the clock wipe animation and increase the duration to 10 seconds. Next, right-click on the top text layer and choose Create Compound Clip. Click on the reverse icon and select Reverse. Now we need to generate our countdown numbers. Open ChatGPT and run the command. Create an SRT file for a 10-second countdown. Copy the code. Open Notepad and paste the code there. Go to File, choose Save As. Then type a name with .srt at the end. Select File Type All. And click Save. Back in CapCut, go to Local Captions and click Import File. Select the SRT file you just created and open it. Now select all the subtitle text. Increase the font size and move the subtitles to the center. Change the countdown text color to match your style. Finally, play the video and you'll see your countdown effect in action. Thanks for watching. Hope the tutorial helped you, so like the video and subscribe the channel.